Hey everyone, this is Chris Ellery again over in southeastern Pennsylvania. I've decided, after looking back over some of my videos, I think I need to slow things down just a little bit. If you've been watching them, there's usually a lot of steps involved, and I've been trying to sort of say what I'm doing and why I'm doing certain things, but in the end, I think that those videos are right now just serving as a better idea of like, hey, here's how you can use Python in the newsroom. But I'm not doing a great job of showing you how to use Python in the newsroom, I think. Anyway, so I'm going to start doing a more focused project. I'm calling it the Snap project. And what I'm going to use are census data from I believe would be 2017, and we're going to collect a database of SNAP recipients, median income, poverty level, and I think we're going to try and get gross rent in there as well, just to see, sort of make an area poverty profile, or at least an area cost of living profile, perhaps. I'm not 100% certain yet. But the goal is I want to keep the videos down to like 16, 20 minutes, and just focus on doing one specific thing with the data. So I got to take some time, a little time to plan it. I should have a video. I hope to have a video later on today. And then I would just go from there. But the basic idea is if I know I need to filter out something, or I know I need to clean a data set, I just want to focus on a few cells of Jupyter Notebook to walk you through exactly what it is I'm doing. And then I will, basically say you can do this with all of the data. And then in the next video, I'll have a data set on my GitHub that maybe already has the cleaning done, that kind of thing. So that way you can watch it, see what I'm doing, try and recreate it yourself. And if you just simply can't, even after you've tried, you can still follow along by going to getting the data and going on to the next video. But sort of a vague plan, I know. But I think I need to slow down and really walk through each of the steps I'm doing a little bit more, because I found myself trying to explain, I'm using brackets to filter out something, but I don't really explain what the filter is or all that it can do. So that's what I want to go back through and try and do here. Yeah, I just need to take a little bit of time to get the data together, and then we'll go from there. But I hope to use it to, I'm trying to find information that I can use to go from national to state to county down to hopefully census tract level, and that's where the challenge is. But I have probably half the data right now. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy it whenever I get this thing started, and I hope that please feel free to share the videos. And if you have any questions, send me a message, or just leave a comment down below. Thanks.